This is a story about Dr. Larry McCleary and his Cannogen and Fuel products, how they were developed and why they make such a difference. Your personal wellness is Cannogen's prime focus, which means helping each of us take control of our health through Cannogen fuel beverages, health composition products, medical food formulations, and our line of pet health products. Dr. Larry has had a number of patents issued, conducted successful clinical trials, and has written books on medical topics, including how critical nutrition is for our health, but also, importantly, how to provide nutrients that can be better utilized by our brains and bodies. To accomplish this vital task, Cannogen uses a technology it calls hydronutrition, which turns key minerals and vital nutrients into a water-soluble form and delivers them in a way our bodies can easily use. To see how difficult this is, try mixing sand, which is basically minerals, in a glass of water and see what happens. It ends up at the bottom of the glass, not in the water. Today there are widespread mineral deficiencies spanning all ages that lead to poor bone health and chronic health problems, and our products address this important health need by assisting with rapid absorption of key minerals. Another breakthrough is the technology used by Cannogen that allows many plant-based nutrients, not just minerals, to be made soluble for efficient use by our bodies. Let's take just one Cannogen product and show you an example of the power of these nutritional technologies. When you use our brain health product, you receive more key nutrients than you would if you ate all the food, with all the unwanted calories, on this table. Let's address another example. You may not be aware, but the very diet we eat each day generates a large amount of acid in our body, which leads to the loss of calcium and other important minerals from our skeleton and lowers bone density, often resulting in fragile bones. To prevent this from happening, the calcium and mineral loss needs to be blocked by keeping our acid level, called pH, under control. So, just as putting a stopper in a bathtub keeps water from leaking out, our buffered products act just like the stopper to prevent calcium and other key minerals from leaving our bones. This was the major reason behind our brand name, Fuel, getting pH, meaning our acid balance, correct. Now let's talk about a recent and critical medical discovery. To understand, you first need to know that most plant nutritions are not able to interact with our bodies by using their own personalized signals. Something else is needed. To remedy this, scientists have discovered a powerful network of docking proteins throughout our bodies whose sole function is to bind with cannabinoid compounds, the ingredients Cannogen uses in many of its products, such as hemp seed oil, and the cannabinoid beta-caryophyllene, which is FDA and Health Canada approved to markedly assist this process. This is truly important because it means that the wide universe of potent botanical compounds can now be used to improve many important aspects of our health. What has become a multidimensional Cannogen team continues to develop an expanding line of biotherapeutic products, all to improve personal wellness. This is happening with Dr. Larry and the whole product team today and tomorrow at Cannogen.